everyone, One Life Adventures TV. Oh my goodness, I had to bring you this video. I was in Orlando recently, and no matter what you hear going on in the news, America is trying to keep us here. You hear me? They are doing their best to keep us here, because I heard about this Juici Beef Patty store that opened up recently. And even though I almost missed my flight from Orlando, I said, guess what? I have to check this place out. Let's go and see what it's all about. If these potholes leading up to the Juici Beef are any indication of how good it is, it's about to be fire, because they're giving you the whole experience with these giant potholes in the streets. Anyway, right outside the building is really nice, very well kept. When you walk inside, customer service is great. The prices are really good too. Like, it's right around $3, and then they have combos that come with a drink, with your meal. But overall, the ambiance inside was very, very nice.
Tracy, 18.
Let's see how it tastes. Yeah. The crust nice. It's hot. The service was fast. American are good again. And nice. And hot and nice. It's thick. We got a lot of meat. But let's do the squeeze test. A lot of meat. Yep. Nice flavor. Yeah. If it don't burn you, it's not good. Let's see. If you're gonna do it big, right? So of course I got a coca bread too, and done another one. Overall, I give this Juici Beef in Orlando a 9.5 out of 10. I know the potholes are not their fault, but yeah, I kind of deducted for that. But everything else was good. Customer service was good. The patties were good. There were not a lot of lines. They weren't out of anything. So yeah, if you're in Orlando, hit them up. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I heard the ones in New York City were running out of inventory and the lines were long. So let me know what your experience has been visiting Juici Beef. See you next time. Or I should say Juici Patties, not Juici Beef. See you next time.